Hello there, welcome back to Cypherock X1 Tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how to transfer your funds from Coinbase wallet to Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. Follow along. On the Sizing sidebar, select Receive. Choose the wallet and the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Click Continue. On your X1 Vault device, verify the asset and the wallet name displayed. Enter your PIN. Tap any one of the 4 X1 cards below the X1 Vault. The receiving address for the selected cryptocurrency will now appear on the X1 Vault screen. Confirm the address displayed on the X1 Vault. The same address will now be visible on the Cypherock app. Copy this address carefully. You will need it to initiate transfer from the Coinbase wallet web. Open the Coinbase wallet web. From the home screen, tap on the Send button. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Enter the amount you wish to send. Paste the Cypherock receiving address you obtained earlier from your Cypherock application. Review the transaction details including the recipient address and the amount. Tap Confirm to proceed. Review the network fees, which is gas fees, and the total amount, and make sure you have enough of the native currency to pay for the network fees. Tap Send to initiate the transfer. If required by your security settings, authenticate the transaction using your device's security features. The transaction was successful and the coins will be received on Cypherock X1 shortly. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to transfer your funds from Coinbase wallet to Cypherock X1 Hardware Wallet. Well done.